how to send crypto from Binance to Phantom Wallet on PC. Now, first of all, we need to get to withdraw address of that crypto that you want to send from your Binance to Phantom Wallet. So as you can see, those tokens that we can get to withdraw address of, and we can send it from the Binance. So make sure to send the token that you can have or that you have on your Phantom Wallet first. Now, after you find your token that you want to transfer, like that, for example, the Ethereum. Now, as you can see, now you need to get to withdraw address of that crypto by clicking on receive. Now you can copy to withdraw address. Now go back to your Binance. Now you can send that token to your Phantom Wallet by head over to wallet and click on spot. And as you can see here, click on withdraw. And now in the search bar, type ETH. So after that, select your token. In this case, it will be Ethereum. And now in the address, you can provide the withdrawal address that you copied from your Phantom. And in the network, select the Ethereum like that. Now in the amount, type the amount that you want to transfer like that. And as you can see, after that, click on withdraw. In about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive your token on your Phantom Wallet. So this is how to transfer or to send crypto from Binance to Phantom Wallet on PC. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.